There are now AI tools that turn your words or images into fully fledged videos. But which one should you pick? Today we compare two heavyweights in the space, Runway and Pika Labs. We'll break down 5 key dimensions: output quality, creative control, workflow speed, pricing models, and ideal use cases. By the end, you'll know which tool fits your channel, brand or project. What are these tools? Let's begin with a quick overview. Runway is a sophisticated video creation platform built for creators, studios, and brands to generate text-to-video, image-to-video, and video-to-video content. Its latest model, Gen-3 Alpha, offers advanced controls such as motion brush, camera motion, structure sliders and more. Pika Labs is a more rapid iteration video AI, designed for creators who want quick, stylized clips from text or image prompts. It supports features such as Pika additions, Pika swaps, Pika twists and scene ingredients that give you modular creative tools to add, swap or remix elements fast. In short, Runway aims for studio-grade video generation plus editing, Pika aims for creator-friendly rapid results and social-first video clips. Output quality and consistency quality matters, especially when you're creating branded content or longer-form videos. With Runway's Gen-3 Alpha you'll see improvements around motion fluidity, scene structure and fidelity. For example, the platform describes how you can specify subject action, camera action, speed, transition and more to get thoughtful results. And reputable outlets highlight that this model is a major step forward in video generation. However, one major challenge in AI-generated video has been continuity, keeping the same character, style or setting across different shots. That's where newer models, like Runway's Gen 4, attempt to step up. Pika, on the other hand, excels in stylized, creative, short video outputs, fun effects, animation styles, quick social clips. Its modular tools let users generate stylized scenes rapidly, though if you need shot-to-shot consistency across a full story, it may require more manual tweaks. Conclusion on quality: for narrative cohesion and multi-shot consistency, Runway takes the edge. For fast, stylized, social-ready videos, Pika shines. Creative control and editing workflow control is the next dimension, how much you can steer the result. Runway gives you deeper control, you can paint where motion happens, motion brush, set up complex camera moves, adjust structure versus deviation from reference, and fine-tune your prompt for scene plus camera. That's excellent if you're working with a storyboard or specific vision. Pika's workflow is more plug and play with creative flourishes. You start with a prompt, add elements like Pika additions or Pika swaps, maybe apply a Pika twist or use a scene ingredient structure. This makes it ideal for exploring ideas, iterating quickly, and customizing stylized visuals without heavy editing. Verdict on control: want fine-grained camera/editor style control, choose Runway. Want rapid creative iterations and social-friendly tweaks, choose Pika. Speed, output length, and workflow fit time is always a constraint, so how fast you can get something video ready is key. Runway's generation times are improving. For example, their documentation says a 5-second 720p video might take about 60 seconds to generate when using Gen-3 Alpha. But the model is tuned for short clips, 5 to 10 seconds, which you then assemble on a timeline if you're producing longer content. Pika is built for rapid turnaround, its interface is built around quick gen plus tweak loops. If you need lots of short videos, for example, for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Pika speeds you up. Also, its credit model, which we'll cover next, gives you predictable budgeting. Workflow summary: for longer, multi-shot pieces you might generate chunks in Runway and edit them into a final sequence. For high-volume short content, Pika allows faster generation plus iteration. Pricing and credit models. Understanding cost is crucial before committing to one tool. Runway uses a credit system for generations. For example, the video-to-video feature for Gen-3 Alpha lists costs per second in their help docs. There are free tiers and paid subscriptions, but costs depend heavily on model, duration, resolution. Pika has a clearly published credit breakdown in its pricing sheet. For example, 5-second text to video or image to video with Model 2.2 might cost 6 or 18 credits depending resolution. More advanced features like Pika scenes cost more. This transparency lets you estimate cost per video quickly. Which is more cost effective? If you are doing few, high-quality videos, Runway may make sense, once you amortize the cost and value of quality. If you are doing many short videos, volume, social content, Pika's pricing model and rapid generation is likely more cost-efficient. Best use cases and which tool for whom? Let's put it in practical terms. Use Runway if you are creating narrative video, short film, branded content, advertisement, and need consistent characters, camera moves, structured shots. Want deeper editing or timeline integration after generation. Prioritize fidelity, realism, and polish. Use Pika if you are a content creator or social media channel making frequent short videos, 5 to 30 seconds, with stylized effects. Want to test visual ideas, iterate quickly and publish often. Prefer simplicity and speed over minute fine-tuning of camera moves. Hybrid approach, smart. You could prototype visual styles, characters or ideas in Pika, then when you land on the final version for your main video, push it into Runway for the high-quality shot, edit and finalize in your timeline. This way you balance speed plus polish. Final verdict. To summarize, if your primary goal is cinematic control and high-end output, Runway provides the stronger platform. Its advanced motion, camera, structure controls make it ideal for video projects that require intentionality and consistency. If your priority is speed, creativity, volume and social content, Pika is the smarter bet. With its modular tools and faster iteration loops, you can crank out more videos, test ideas, and stay agile. In either case, remember, the AI doesn't replace your creative vision, it amplifies it. Strong prompts, thoughtful planning, and shot lists still matter. So which one will you choose? If you're making your next YouTube video with bulk short clips or testing ideas fast, head into Pika, and let the creative sparks fly. If you're working on that hero piece, your brand film, your launch video, run it through Runway and polish it until it shines. Either way, you're stepping into a new era of video creation. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI tools for creators. Drop a comment telling me which tool you'll try first, and if you want me to compare another set of AI tools, let me know.